It's challenging to figure out how to organize your days to be as effective as possible, let alone maintain such a pattern in the future. Here's where RPM comes into play. By streamlining your daily planning process and enabling you to begin working on your action steps sooner, the Rapid Planning Method, or RPM, can increase your total productivity. RPM is also easier to understand, so you're more likely to continue with it. Your capacity to prioritize and concentrate on what really is important to you may also be enhanced by incorporating RPM into your daily practice. RPM can assist you in tackling activities effectively and preventing procrastination by breaking down your goals into manageable chunks and prioritizing them easily. Furthermore, RPM promotes routine plan review and even modifications if needed, which helps you stay flexible and adaptable to unforeseen circumstances. This proactive strategy not only increases output, but also fosters motivation and a feeling of achievement as you steadily advance toward your goals. Using RPM may revolutionize your planning process, facilitating goal achievement and preserving a productive workflow. The Rapid Planning Method, RPM, what exactly is it? Renowned motivational speaker Tony Robbins developed this strategy, which he described in his Time of Your Life program. Even if Robbins has a somewhat corny reputation, RPM is superior. The acronym may be used as a guide for how your day should go, in addition to standing for Rapid Planning Method. Purpose-driven, results-driven, and equipped with extensive action plans. Begin by asking yourself these 3 questions on a regular basis every morning, for example, or even once a week if needed. What is it that I truly desire? What am I trying to accomplish? And lastly, what is my extensive action plan? And what do I need to undertake? Your responses are meant to motivate you to take action that will be effective and lead you to achieving your ultimate objective. You can write them down or simply remember them. Now, of course, for optimal outcomes, I suggest pinning down your responses in a planner so you can place your guiding concepts wherever you'll always be reminded of them. How RPM increases productivity. There are a ton of productivity techniques out there, and RPM has the advantage of being readily integrated with a lot of them. One way to include a to-do list in your overall action plan is to make a list 1-3-5 list. RPM is unique in that it gives you something to aim for by keeping your objectives and even ambitions front and center, and plans your activities accordingly. Without a great deal of time-consuming contemplation, you may simply choose what you want to prioritize and filter out what isn't even vital by keeping that main aim in mind. Similar to adopting SMART objectives, employing RPM gives your everyday chores a mission or a feeling of purpose, which keeps you motivated and, of course, focused.
Perspective Plans with new videos and podcasts weekly. Join our Patreon at patreon.com/Perspective Plans for exclusive videos and more. Visit perspectiveplans.com for all of your planner and stationery needs. Only at Perspective Plans, helping you plan for what's to come. Hello everyone, I'm Christina B. Rising and welcome to the Perspective Plan Show, where I help you boost your productivity and stay organized so that you can easily handle whatever life throws at you. I upload new videos and podcasts every single week, so be sure to subscribe so you won't miss anything. Shop for workbooks, printables, and stickers at perspectiveplans.com. And last but not least, this episode would not be possible without the support of our Perspective Plans patrons and channel members. Thank you. Now let's get into this episode. Tip 1, capturing. It is well known that humans are excellent multitaskers. However, the fact is that while you're gathering all that data, your brain is under a lot of stress. The best course of action is to just write it down so you can understand your objectives more clearly. Not only can writing reduce mental clutter, but it also improves order and even your attention. Writing down your ideas, tasks, and thoughts results in a physical reference that may direct your activities and help you stay on course. You may effectively prioritize your goals and break down difficult objectives into simple steps with the help of this method. Furthermore, going over your written notes on a regular basis can help you stay motivated and dedicated by tracking your progress and even reinforcing your goals. You can increase productivity and even clarity, relieve stress, and free up brain resources by putting your mental workload on paper. Tip 2, initiate the segmenting procedure. The chunking procedure may begin after you have all the knowledge in your brain. Everything must be filtered throughout this procedure, since some items go under the business category and others under the personal category. Assigning what you feel is a need or even a goal that you wish to accomplish is the true aim here. Here's an illustration if you need one. 1, company. Complete 5 projects each month. 2, private. Plan a meal for the family. The next stage of the chunking process is to prioritize and order your tasks and goals according to priority and urgency once you have gotten them categorized. Divide each category into manageable, discrete tasks that may be completed one at a time. You may, for example, include subtasks like schedule client meetings or outline project plans under your company category. You may include things like make a guest list or even plan the menu under your own objectives. Using a granular approach, let's focus on one step at a time and make enormous projects more achievable. You may optimize your workflow and make it simpler to monitor your progress and accomplish your objectives by setting priorities and categorizing these sections. Tip 3, make an RPM chart. You can truly concentrate your efforts on the significant outcomes you wish to accomplish by making your own RPM chart. You may put into perspective what you want to achieve in order to feel completely pleased by using these well-organized ideas. Make sure your RPM chart explains your objectives, expected results, and the precise steps needed to get them. List your main goals first and then divide them into more manageable tasks. To graphically represent each objective, its rewards, and the procedures required to achieve it, use the chart. You may better track your progress and keep a clear focus on your objectives by updating and reviewing this chart on a regular basis. This methodical technique helps you stay motivated and devoted to reaching a sense of fulfillment in both your personal and professional life. It also keeps you organized and serves as a continual reminder of your goals. Tip 4. Making enjoyable, powerful roles. It's crucial to cast oneself in amazing and enjoyable parts. That in and of itself will bring you back to your youthful state of mind and inspire an incredible passion you haven't experienced since you were a youngster. Tip. Read the top time management books to learn more effective time management techniques. Incorporating enjoyable and empowered jobs into your daily routine not only adds excitement to your work, but also increases motivation and inventiveness. You might find new energy and a renewed love for your work by giving yourself challenging and inspiring duties. This strategy fosters a creative, lively mentality and aids in breaking free from boring routines. Furthermore, reading enlightening books about diverse time management approaches will bring you fresh ideas and viewpoints that will boost your output and general delight. When these components are combined, you can manage your time in a dynamic and satisfying way that gives each day greater meaning and even purpose. If you have tried bullet journaling, time blocking, or just plain old to-do lists but haven't found the right solution to manage your time, then it's time to try out the Hourly Planner Bundle. This is the ultimate planner with everything you need to manage your schedule and get things done today. Featuring 300 plus planner pages with and without sidebars, 100 plus event and holiday labels, and over 2,000 plus planner stickers in 14 unique colors. All this and more can be found in our Hourly Planner Bundle, available in 2 amazing color options at perspectiveplans.com. Paperback edition, now available at Amazon. Helping you plan for what's to come. Does RPM work well? Indeed. Actually, Tony Robbins RPM is an excellent technique for setting new priorities. It will keep you alert and focused on the end result you wish to accomplish. Using this fresh way of thinking, you'll take back charge of your life, both personally and professionally. Find fresh energy that is only directed toward the outcomes you desire. Take a to-do list psychological burden off. Develop a new style of thinking that provides you with goals, objectives, and even action plans. Experience a profound sense of satisfaction upon reaching your objectives. Extend your viewpoint. Your life will start to become more meaningful and even intelligent as you begin to pay more attention to the things you do on a daily basis. Your entire routine and worldview will improve when every activity has purpose, but the improvements don't have to end there. You may start moving more quickly and fervently toward your goals. A lack of brainless downtime and focused attention might help reduce the sensation of tiredness and overwork that leads many people to give up on their aspirations as life becomes a bit more urgent. Finding meaning in your life will set off a series of intangible domino effects that will eventually enable you to return to your passions. Take a look at your schedule and make a list of all the things you could do and tangible objectives you could achieve in a month. You might also consider in terms of a year or even another time frame that feels appropriate to you, if that helps. You can do anything if you learn to focus and give each work its importance. Tip 7. Recall your goals. The common misconception is that purpose just pertains to one genuine interest or even areas of skill. This kind of thinking may result in an excessive amount of busy work and even dizziness during the workday. In actuality, everything you do during the day has a purpose, or at least it should. Even when you focus on your supposedly busy work, you should be mindful of, committed to your mission throughout the day. Rather than letting your job consume you or even opposing it, strive to make it significant and useful in other areas of your life. For instance, while doing your housekeeping, consider it an important method to improve your children's living environment rather than just a mindless task. You may eliminate downtime and even maintain attention throughout the day by concentrating on your basic chores. Share this awesome episode with someone you know who needs it to help them plan for what's to come. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I hate for you to miss the next episode. Now let's get into our recap. So let's do a quick recap just in case you missed a tip. 1. Capturing. 2. Initiate the segmenting procedure. 3. Make a RPM chart. 4. Make enjoyable, powerful rules. Does RPM work well? Extend your viewpoint. Recall your goals. It's not the strongest of the species that survive, nor the most intelligent, but the ones most responsive to change. Charles Darwin. Considering Tony Robbins RPM, it's critical to keep in mind that this approach need not be effective for maintaining your sense of balance in life and even your productivity. The ability to investigate novel choices that function in unique ways is very remarkable. Finding the greatest time tracking tool is essential if you want it to lead you to the outcomes and sensation of accomplishment that you've always wanted. If you find that this approach isn't exactly the best for you, you can prioritize your work and become more adept at time management by using the Moscow Method, the ABDCE method, the Eat the Frog strategy, or even the Warren Buffett 5-25 rule. And I do have a few videos on some of these, and I'll link them down below. I just want to take a moment to thank our patrons and channel members. This episode would not be possible without your support. Thank you. And if you would like to support the show, visit patreon.com/perspectiveplans today. Thank you so much for stopping by and pressing play. I truly appreciate it. Let me know down below in the comments or your podcast review what tip you'll be using. Keep planning for what's to come, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.